Basic forces in nature. First one, gravitational force Fg. It is the long range force which arises due to interaction of the gravitational fields of bodies. It is responsible for the attraction between particles of various masses in universe. It has following characteristics. First one, it is always attractive force. Second one, it is a mass dependent force. Third one, it is charge independent. Fourth one, it obeys inverse square law. Fifth one, it is a long range force and operates up to infinite distance. Sixth one, work done under the attraction of this force does not depend upon the path followed. Therefore, it is conservative force. Next, seventh one, it is a function of separation between two bodies and hence it is known as a central force. Eighth one, it is the weakest force in nature. So, basic forces in nature. Second one, electromagnetic force, Fe. It is a long range force having moderate strength and acts through electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic force has following characteristics. First one, it may be attractive and repulsive. Second one, it obeys inverse square law. Third one, it is a mass independent force. Fourth one, it is a long range force. Fifth one, work done under the action of this force is independent of path followed. Thus, it is a conservative force. Sixth one, it is a function of the separation between two bodies and act along the line joining them. Basic forces in nature, that is third one, strong force Fs or nuclear force. It is the strongest force in nature and is operative in between different nucleons. Inside a nucleus, this force is responsible to keep the protons and neutrons in nucleus. It has followed characteristics. First one, it is very strongly attractive. Second one, it is charge independent. Third one, it is spin dependent. Fourth one, it is a very short range force. Fifth one, it varies inversely as some higher power of the separation between two nucleons. Sixth one, it is about 100 times stronger than electromagnetic force. Different theories are proposed to describe these fundamental forces in nature, such as Newton's law, universal gravitation, inverse square law of forces in electrostatics and magnetism. Basic forces in nature. Fourth one, weak nuclear force, that is radioactive active decay like beta decay and other similar processes involving fundamental particles are due to weak nuclear forces Such force acts between lepton like electron, positrons, new meson, neutrinos and hydrons like mesons and baryons. It is short range force which is communicated through weak bosons. Relative strength of gravitational, weak nuclear, electromagnetic and strong force are in the ratio 1 is to 10 power 31 is to 10 power 36 is to 10 power 38. As for the recent advances, it is suggested that all the above said forces may be almost due to the similar type of interaction and due to a unified force. The basic forces involved in some situations are as given below. First one, electron revolving round the nucleus, electromagnetic. Second one, revolution of the earth around the sun, gravitational. Third one, decay of neutron into proton, electron and antineutrino, weak nuclear. Fourth one, attraction between two protons, two neutrons and protons, neutron inside the nucleus, strong nuclear.